Hey guys, so today um, I'm making some ranch chicken with candied yams and broccoli. I've been obsessed with this ranch seasoning for some reason. It's nothing special, it's just the packets that you can buy at the grocery store in the ranch section. And I just sprinkle it. And I just sprinkle it on the chicken. I added some onion powder, black pepper, and I think that was about it. And I just let it sit on the chicken probably for like 30 minutes to an hour while I got the sweet potatoes ready. And this is just like a simple recipe. It's nothing, I don't like my food to be really complicated. I like it to be as simple as possible. So it's just salt, pepper. I believe I put a little onion powder, and then I just did some brown sugar and butter. And then I just poured it on top of the yams. I put it in the oven for an hour, and covered with foil at 350. And then towards the end, I took the foil off and I put it back in the oven probably for about 20 minutes, just so they can get a little caramelized on top. And that was pretty much it. This was a simple dinner. It wasn't nothing complicated. It was something quick and easy to be able to make. And the broccoli, I just did instant broccoli, the one you put in the microwave. So that was really nothing too complicated to do either. So yeah, I just kept it simple today. Everything came out really good. I cooked the chicken in a pan, as you're going to see in the next clip, and I just fried it with a little bit of butter and garlic, and then I let it finish cooking in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then everything was ready to go. So I just wanted you guys to hear, or rather see, where I'm coming from. So and I'll put the recipe in the bio too as well, so you guys can have it if you guys ever want to make it.